Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy Equinox. We have reached that inevitable point where you have to replace an alternator. Didn't really see any good videos on it, so I wanted to let you know how to do it. First step, remove your airbox, your air tube, and your little vent here. Here's your alternator, looks fairly easy on top. You have one bolt here, one bolt hidden back there. And then, once you get your wire off, pull it out of the way. Kind of move those aside, and you'll see a plug here that you disconnect. They don't make it easy, that's for sure. Your tension pulley is buried nice and far down there. What you'll need for that tension pulley that's buried very far down there is a tension pulley release. This one's not going to work. This is brand new from Harbor Freight, but by the time you get this inside the hole, you're too close to the firewall. So we're going to get one that's ratcheting. They make one that's ratcheting, so you'll need that to get down in there. Okay, that's how the airbox goes back together. That vent came off of here. This sensor broke. You gotta watch that little port there is very brittle after it's been driven 225,000 miles. So that broke, so we had to replace that sensor as well. But there's the alternator all finished. Make sure you pay attention to the routing of your belt. When you put that back on, take a picture of it or draw a diagram of what pulleys it goes over and under. And there you go. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like if you did, and I hope you have a great day.